This is how you change the orientation of a photo. First, we open the Photos app, and we have to have a photo here that we want to change the orientation of. Here are some photos that I was messing around with to make new backgrounds for my phone. And the change the orientation is super simple. This one's portrait, and after the portrait one, I'll show you how to change the landscape one. It's the same process. So the portrait photo is open here. Tap on this little icon here. That's the settings, adjustments icon. And now we tap on crop at the bottom. And up here, tap on this little square with the arrow above it. That changes the orientation. It doesn't make sense for all types of photos to be changed like this, but sometimes you take a photo and it only displays properly if your phone is sideways or upright, but it's the opposite of what the photo is. If you have this problem, you know what I'm talking about. If you don't have it, that might not make sense. But when you do encounter that problem, here's how you make the change. And then you just tap on done. And now you have your photo saved in the new orientation. In my case, I want to undo this because that's not how I want that photo. So I'll tap those three dots, tap on revert to original, and now it's back to how it was. Now, if you have a landscape photo, like this one, for example, this is my recent letter choices in a game of Scrabble. I took a photo because they were so terrible, but this is a horizontal photo. If I want to make this portrait or upright, I tap on this adjustments icon again, tap on crop, and then tap the same button. And that changes the orientation of the photo. Keep tapping it, keeps going around in a counterclockwise manner until you find the orientation that you want, and then tap on done, and it's saved. Or you can also cancel out of here and not have any changes happen. Now, if you're working with a lot of photos, it's going to take a lot of space on your phone. So check out this video. That's going to help you find more space on your phone so you can play around with more photos. And this space is hidden amongst various trash cans on your phone that are secret in some cases. I'll show you how to find them in this video. And if you got value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you in this next one.